This is our first look at the TCL 25G. Just unboxed that now, and I wanted to show you the box content and what actually this device is all about. So this is the second TCL device to be featured on the channel. The first one was the TCL 10 Plus, which actually been a very popular video on the channel. So I thought to follow up on that with the new TCL 25G. This time around, it's a 5G device, but it's an LCD device. So there's some advantages and disadvantages compared to the TCL 10 Plus. First, you get your usual paperwork, a silicone soft case, a 10-watt charger. I believe the device should support more than that, but I'll double check and include that in the description. But I can see that what is coming out of the box is just a 10-watt charger and a USB-A to USB-C cable. It's good, and SIM ejection tool. If we get that out of the way and just focus on the device, beautiful blue color, 128 gigabyte storage. So what I want to do in this first look video is to give you a quick tour of the interface and the camera, and also see what kind of pre-installed software is there, and just a quick feel of the UI. First check is to pull down, and you can see you get the pull down menu, so that's good. So it's a big, relatively big device. It's actually quite thick, so it's good to be able to do that with one hand. Lots of bloatware, to be honest. Let's see if we can delete some of them. That is allowed, I think. Good. Let's try to delete Facebook as well. Install. That's good. Let's actually see how much storage we get out of the box on this device. Storage. As you can see, already 14 gigabyte used and 11%. Not bad. I like actually this app, or this shortcut, which is lock screen. Here's a look at how you unlock the device. Let's do a camera tour, and then we'll look at the SIM tray at the end of this video. This is a camera app. Here is a photo sample I took. Actually, from a first look, much better than the TCL 10 Plus, which I thought suffered from a lot of darkening in its photography, but this one looks actually quite bright and promising. But of course, more testing is needed. I believe it has an ultra wide angle. Yeah, that looks like ultra wide. If we go to portrait, auto is your main mode, and more is super macro and light trace and some fancy options. Let's see how much video resolution actually should. I'll be disappointed if it's not doing 4K. Let's see. I can do 4K at 30 frames per second. Not bad. Important to mention that it has a 3.5mm jack, which is quite common in the mid-range segment, so it's good to see it's still sticking around. Okay, so it's not bad. It's kind of a hybrid tray. You can use second SIM or a memory card and the main SIM. That's the first look at the TCL 25G. Let me know in the comments if you have more questions about this device. See you in another video.